Hi, my name is Jansen, and today I'll be solving question 4 and question 5 of this assignment YouTube video. As you can see in question 4, they are asking for the x-intercept of this graph over here. So to find the x-intercept, what I did was to use the quadratic formula of minus b plus minus b squared minus 4ac. As you can see, the value here is minus b square root b squared minus 4ac over 2a. And the only difference between these two is that one is using plus over there, and this one is using minus to find the two x-intercept values. And then for 4b, I was using complete the square, where part A, this would be taking out the a value, and then this one is b over a divided by 2 to get this second value. And this is just this equation over here. And yeah, it's play the same formula and equation. And for question 5, for 5a, as you can see here, to try and match the blue graph, A basically affects the widening of the graph. So to get a wider graph, you need to still make it above 0, but lesser than 2, which means that I can put a value of around 0.26, maybe around here. And you can see the graph widens a lot. B, I can put in a value of maybe 0.78, uh, gives me that. And then C, which is the y-intercept, you can see here is around minus 4.5-ish using trial and error. And yes, see both the curve matches each other, as you can see over here. And then for part 5b, the three x values that I've inputted, one of it is minus 4, and you see this is the y value. The other one would be 2, and this is the y value of 2. Yes, and the other one I use is 0, and this is the y value of 0. And if we move over here, this is my working step and solution to solve the question, where I use y equals to ax squared plus bx plus c. And first I sub in x equals to 0, so I can find the c, which is the y-intercept, to be minus 4.645. And after that, once I find that value, I sub in both these two other values to do a simultaneous equation so that I'm able to find the values of a and b more accurately, as you can see here. And they are about as accurate as my initial guess and check, which I can show over here. Yes, it's very close to my initial guess and check. And that'll be all for my presentation today. Thank you very much.